Most people think they get nervous around the opposite gender because the other person is somehow special or intimidating. But that's not really what's happening. The real reason is much simpler. Your brain is turning a normal conversation into something that feels important, risky, and high pressure. In a regular conversation with friends, you don't think about every word. You speak naturally, you pause, you even say stupid things sometimes and it doesn't matter. But the moment you talk to someone from the opposite gender, your mindset changes. Suddenly, you start monitoring yourself. You begin to think about how you look, how you sound, whether what you're saying is good enough. This is where the problem begins. Your brain treats this like a situation where your value is being judged. It feels like you're being evaluated, and because of that, it tries to protect you from making mistakes. That's why your body reacts. Your heart rate increases, your speech becomes less smooth, and your thoughts start jumping around. You're not actually worse at talking. You're just overloaded. Instead of having a conversation, you start performing. You try to be more interesting than you actually are. You try to avoid silence. You try to control every sentence before it even comes out. And ironically, this is exactly what makes you look less confident. The more you try to manage everything, the more unnatural you become. What makes this even more interesting is that the other person is often going through the same thing. They might look calm on the outside, but internally, they can also be thinking about what to say next, worrying about how they're perceived, and trying not to make mistakes. So instead of one nervous person, you often have two people quietly overthinking the same interaction. Now, the solution is not to suddenly become more confident or to memorize perfect lines. That approach doesn't work long term. The real change comes from shifting your attention. Right now, your focus is on yourself. You're thinking, how do I look? Am I saying this right? Do I sound weird? That internal focus creates pressure. Instead, you need to move your attention outward. Start focusing on the other person. Not in a forced way, but with simple curiosity. Who are they? How do they talk? What kind of personality do they have? What are they interested in? When your attention is on understanding instead of impressing, the pressure drops immediately. You stop trying to win the conversation and start participating in it. Another important point is speed. When people get nervous, they speed up. They talk faster, they rush their words, and they don't give themselves time to think. This makes everything feel more chaotic. If you slow down your speech slightly and allow small pauses, your brain has time to catch up. You appear more calm, even if internally you're still a bit nervous. It's a simple adjustment, but it has a strong effect. Also, you need to accept something most people try to avoid. Not every conversation will be perfect. There will be awkward moments, there will be pauses. You might say something that doesn't land well. That's normal. Confident people are not those who never make mistakes. They're the ones who don't panic when something goes slightly wrong. That's the real difference. If you stop trying to control every outcome and allow the conversation to be a bit imperfect, your behavior becomes more natural. And when your behavior is natural, the nervousness starts to fade. So in the end, the goal is not to become someone else or to act more confident than you feel. The goal is to remove unnecessary pressure. Because the nervousness you feel is not coming from the other person, it's coming from the way you're interpreting the situation. And once you change that interpretation, the whole experience becomes easier.